Everyone, right, in this session of the class I am going to explain you CNV point group, where we will going to see C2V C3V point groups. In CNV point group, the order of point group, order of CNV is 2n elements will be there, and thus 2n are E plus n minus 1 number of CNs plus n number of sigma v's, right? That's how the 2n number of elements it has. Specifically when we will go with C2v C3v's like that. Why we are not going with C1v is C1v can be similar to the CS point group, right? So far we are directly going with C2v point group. So here the number of elements or order of C2v point group is 2n. It means 2 into 2, it equal to 4. Thus 4 elements are E plus C2 plus 2 sigma v's, right? E2 plus n number of n minus 1 number of CNs, it means 2 minus 1 number of C2s, like that. So it has 1 C2 and n number of sigma v's, which nothing but 2 sigma v's, right? So the best example to describe the C2v point group is very known. Previously we have checked this molecule, that is water. Water is the best example for C2v point group. We know the geometry of water, it is angular, right? Angular, like this we will take. So here the identity doing 360 degrees of rotation or 0 degrees of rotation with any orientation of axis, you will get identical configuration. You do this, right? I won't go with that, right? You can do, right? So now I would like to explain you the second fold rotational axis, which will be nothing but 180 degrees of rotation. Here even I express you C2v point group in water molecule. How does it is? Just you recollect how does we take in the orientation of axis, the imaginary axis, how we taken into the molecule, and the rotation of 180 degrees, how it generates the equivalent configuration, right? So by the hints, right, even if you are not recollecting, you can go with the third video what I given, that the easy to learn the symmetry. There I given the hints. The one of the hint is replacement of similar atoms, right? While we are doing symmetry operation, if the similar atoms are get exchanged to generate to get the generated configuration, thus the generated configuration surely will become an equivalent configuration. So here to get a equivalent configuration upon the 180 degrees of rotation, how does, when we are taking the axis, will give you the similar atoms to replace each other, right? Similar atoms are hydrogens. To get these two hydrogens replacement, in what orientation when we take the axis, it gets the replacement of H1 by H2, H2 by H1, right? That is very very simple. Now you got, now I thought that you may got, while we take an axis which is passing through oxygen, middle of the oxygen vertically, on the vertically it is passing through from the oxygen and center of gravity point, and thus with axis, if we do 180 degrees of rotation, the oxygen position may not be changed, but what happens, the hydrogen positions will be get replaces. This is known to you, no? Right? This is the model we every time we go with for the water molecule, where the pink color ball is considered as a oxygen, and two blue color balls can be considered as a hydrogens, and this is the V shape which is in planar, right? And above the oxygen, in the below, two hydrogen atoms, right? Angularly shaped, right? Left side one, right side another. So taking an axis which is passing through oxygen atom vertically, this is what an imaginary axis we have taken, and doing 180 degrees of rotation, what happens, you check. This is what the 180 degrees of rotation. Now after getting the 180 degrees of rotation, what we got, right? The oxygen position is retained, it never changed the oxygen position, whereas the hydrogen positions, yeah, thus they are replaced each other, right? Replaced each other. Then the exchange of oxygen hydrogen atoms will gives you this particular configuration. Similar atoms, when they get exchange their position, the generated configuration is equivalent configuration. Equivalent configuration. So getting equivalent configuration for the 180 degrees of rotation, it would be called as second fold rotational axis. Doing one time, it generates the equivalent configuration. When we do second time with the same orientation of rotation axis, it gives you a identical configuration. It gives you a identical configuration. Identical configuration. That's how the C2 rotational axis can possible in water molecule, right? Any more rotational axis when we want to see, the more rotational axis never be possible in water molecule. Just you do that, right? If you want to see, you just go with other angle of rotation, other orientation of axis while we take, do different, you try to differently to do the rotational axis, it never is possible, it never generates the equivalent configuration. So far we say that the water will consist only one C2 rotational axis like this, right? So after all, we have to go for the plane of symmetries, right? What plane of symmetries the water molecule will consist, right? So writing the water molecule, right here, apply a plane in a manner that to get an equivalent configuration by applying a plane, right? To get the equivalent configuration, there will be two hints, right? One will be what, uh, the all the atoms can retain their position to have the equivalent configuration while we are applying the symmetry operation. If the atoms are retaining their position, there will be generated configuration will be equivalent configuration. That can be the one possibility we can check, right? So is that the way we can apply the plane? Let us see. Without changing the atom's position, right, to reflect the atom, how we can apply the plane, you just imagine, right? How you can apply? By applying the plane, the atom's position should not to be changed. In a manner we have to apply the plane, right? How can we apply? Have you got this? Right, that is right. If somebody exactly imagine, it would be a plane which is passing through all the atom. The angular shape water molecule is two-dimensional molecule. Whenever the molecule is two-dimensional, you can apply a plane through all the atoms, right? Where all the atoms positions can retain the position, where the generated configuration surely it is an equivalent, and thus the plane will become a plane of symmetry, right? So here also water is a planar molecule. Now with thus the help, while we apply the plane with all the atoms to the all the atoms, what it happens, it bisects the all the atom in an equal halves, where thus above below halves can reflect each other, right? The for the plane, whatever the above oxygen hydrogen's halves will be there, that could be reflected towards the below, and the below halves of hydrogens and oxygen get reflected towards the above, right? So thus simple reflection of halves of the same atoms will gives you the retention of the atom position, where this will be a equivalent configuration. Why it is an equivalent? Why not it is an identical configuration? Because here the phases of the atoms are changed when we compare with original configuration. When we compare with original configuration, this is the phases are changed, right? So far the generated configuration is equivalent, not identical. So whenever we are generating the equivalent configuration with the plane of symmetry, plane, while we are applying the plane, thus the plane will be called as plane of symmetry, right? So here we have to check this, is thus the plane is vertical, horizontal or dihedral, right? So possibility of dihedral, when we check, the possibility of dihedral never be possible, because in this particular molecule it has only one C2. When there are two consecutive C2s, and thus consecutive C2s having angle bisecting plane when we apply to reflect the atom, and thus the plane, if it is giving an equivalent configuration, then it only considered as a dihedral plane of symmetry. But here there is only one C2, so far the angle of two C2s cannot be possible. So here dihedral plane will be ruled out, right? There is no possibility of dihedral plane. So the plane what we have here, it might be vertical plane or horizontal plane, right? It can be the vertical or horizontal of the plane can be defined with the help of principal axis, right? The water will have only one rotational axis, that is C2, so it is only considered as a principal axis, right? When the molecule having only one type of rotational axis, thus the rotational axis is considered as a principal axis. So how it is the rotational axis? Principal C2 rotational axis, it is passing through oxygen atom. Principal axis, it is passing through oxygen atom. Vertically it is passing through oxygen atom, right? So thus the molecule, thus the rotational axis, right? Right. So this is what the rotational axis we can imagine, whereas the plane is passing through all the atom, right? The plane is passing through all the atom, and it is passes through oxygen atom. The axis is passing through oxygen atom, so which means that the plane and axis will passes each other. So which means the principal axis, C2 principal axis, is passing through plane of symmetry. Nothing but the plane should be vertical plane of symmetry, will becomes vertical plane of symmetry. So one time it is equivalent configuration, so if it is applied in a second time, vertical plane of symmetry in second time, it surely generates the identical configuration, where the phases of the atom also be same with the original configuration. So it will be an identical configuration. So that's how the one of the vertical plane we have in the water molecule, right? By retaining all the atoms position, such in a manner we are applied the plane and it is becoming vertical plane of symmetry. So in the second time, if we consider water molecule to look at into more rotational axis, no more plane of symmetries, right? So here the first hint is given in one plane of symmetry. Let us go with second hint, where what I said, replacement of similar atom will gives you surely an equivalent configuration. While we are applying symmetry operation, if it is generating an if it is having an replacement of similar atom, the generated configuration will become becomes equivalent configuration. So here we have to apply a plane in a manner that the similar hydrogens get replaces each other and gives you the generated configuration as a equivalent configuration. So to do that, right, how we can have the reflection of these two, right? The plane will reflects the atoms. So the reflection of atom should reflect the both the replace the both the hydrogens, right? So to have that, where we have to apply the plane, have you got that? Have you seen? To reflect, to have the reflection between these two, where we have to keep the plane, we have to keep in between of those two similar atoms, right? So thus when we apply here, where the plane passes through oxygen atom, which bisects the oxygen atom, and which is in between of two hydrogens, exactly middle of the two hydrogens, where the similar hydrogens get reflected and the oxygens two equal halves get reflected each other to get the equivalent configuration, to will get the right equivalent configuration, right? So here when we see in the model, right, we are applying the plane like this, right, which is passing through oxygen atom, right, and which is in between the two hydrogens. So far the oxygen, while it is passing the plane, it will bisect it into two equal halves. So thus left right oxygen half parts get reflected and the oxygen position will be same. But whereas the hydrogens, when it is passing, when it is having a plane of reflection, the hydrogens get reflected each other because the plane is exactly middle for the both the hydrogen. The distance from plane to hydrogen of left and plane to hydrogen of right will be same. So when it is reflecting this particular right hydrogen, it reaches to the opposite side of left, and the left hydrogen when it is reflecting, it will go for the right and exactly for the this particular hydrogen H2, right? So the oxygen retains, H2 will come here, H1 will come here, right? So with this reflection, what we are getting, the equal similar hydrogens are reflected. So this is a equivalent configuration, right? When it is equivalent configuration, this particular plane of symmetry will be called as plane of symmetry. So what type of plane of symmetry it is? When we see, right, again we have to bother about the principal axis, which is passing through oxygen atom, C2 principal axis, right? And thus C2 principal axis is passing through oxygen atom, and the plane of symmetry also passing through oxygen atom like this, right? The C2 axis is passing through principal axis, and the plane what we applied also passing through oxygen atom. So which means that the plane will also passes through principal axis. So which means the plane what we have, it is a vertical plane of symmetry. So one time equivalent configuration, doing second time it gives you the identical configuration, right? So like this, the molecule of water will have two vertical planes, right? Two vertical planes and one of the rotational planes, second fold rotational axis, right? So other than this, if you want to check more planes and improper axis, inversion centers may never be possible, right? Let us check with the model, where either is possibility of horizontal plane or not, right? So to have the horizontal plane, what we have to do, we have to apply a plane which is perpendicular to the principal axis, right? This is what the principal axis we have, right? This is what the principal axis, C2 principal axis, for which if you want to apply the plane perpendicularly, nothing but like this we have to apply, right? Axis is vertical, so we have to apply the plane in an horizontal way. It will be perpendicular for the principal axis, right? When we apply that, what happens, the oxygen, when we apply the plane in between of oxygen to hydrogen bond, right, where the plane never passes through any atom, where the above, for the plane, the above oxygen get reflected towards the below, and below hydrogens will get reflected towards the above, right? So this is the configuration we considered. After getting reflection, it will become like this, right? is the both configurations generating equivalent configuration? No, right? Initially we taken that oxygen above, hydrogens are below. Oxygen above, hydrogen below. But after getting reflection, we are getting oxygens below and hydrogens are above, right? This particular generated configuration never be an equivalent or identical, so the plane never be called as a plane of symmetry and horizontal plane of symmetry. It never be called as plane of symmetry or horizontal plane of symmetry, right? So like this, the horizontal plane of symmetry is ruled out, diagonal plane is already ruled out, while it is not having multiple C2 rotational axes. Right now, if we want to go with the improper axis, right, to see the improper axis, right, what we have to do is rotation followed by reflection. Doing rotation of this particular C2 rotation, and if we do the plane of symmetry, after that what happens, this is the configuration it generates, isn't it? Initially we have taken the molecule like this, where it is having the oxygen is upward, hydrogens are downward, H1 is left, H2 is right. While we do here a rotation of 180 degrees, right, after that while we apply the plane, this is the configuration we have. We should not to compare with the original configuration, right? For the improper axis of symmetry, rotation after the reflection, if we get the equivalent configuration, thus the thus the generated configuration we have to compare with original. If it is the generated configuration after the second operation, then if it is the equivalent configuration, then only it is an improper axis. So rotation after, if we do the reflection, which is applying a plane perpendicular to the rotation axis, like this, if we apply, what happens, it gives you the this particular configuration. Is the configuration is equivalent or identical? This the configuration neither equivalent or identical, so the rotation forward by reflection improper axis is absent in the water molecule, which suggests that right. So doing inversion also, while we do inversion here, right, through the center of gravity point we will do the inversions, right? Center of gravity point is on the oxygen atom. While we do the oxygen's inversion, it is having the same point, right? Its position is same, remains same. But the hydrogens, when they want to invert their position, this particular H2 will go for the here the position, and H1 when it inverts, this is the position it will get. So finally it gets the like this configuration. Is this the configuration is equivalent or identical? No, either it is not equivalent nor the identical configuration, right? Not equivalent, not identical. So the generated configuration in inverting the atom is not an equivalent or identical. So far the identical inversion center never be possible in the water molecule. Like this, there are no more symmetry elements in the water. It has only identity, right? It has only identity and second fold rotational axis and two vertical planes, right? Two vertical planes. Water molecule having identity plus second fold rotational axis, two vertical planes, it would be termed as, right, having only one rotational axis, we have to take consideration of C symbol, and the two what we can say, antagonist, right? The two antagonist will be, one will be the principal axis number, that is 2, it will come, and the second antagonist will be planes designation. Here only vertical plane it is there, so far it will be C2, right? C2V is the point group for the water, right? That's how the we have described in the C2 point group as it is an example of water, right? So as it is an example of water, right? So that's how the C2 point group in the C2 point group and water molecule example, right? For your practice I will going to give you multiple examples which you can try for the C2V point group. So the chlorobenzene and 1,2-dichlorobenzene or any halogen, we can write halogen, halobenzene, 1,2-dihalobenzene, 1,3-dihalobenzene, 1,2,3-dihalobenzene, pyridine, pyrrole, and iodine ion, and SF4, SO2, and so on. So on, this all will be the and you can also meridional trisubstituted octahedral, right? Facial meridional, do you remember? Trisubstituted octahedral complex A B B B, octahedral with a trisubstituted octahedral, meridional octahedral, right? This is also you can try. And xenon difluorodioxide, that's how multiple examples are there. And 1,2-dihalo methane, 1,2-dihalomethane also one of the best example for C2V point group analysis. These are the example you try. If you have any difficulty to draw the all four symmetry elements in these molecules, you just give your doubts in the comment section. I will give you the, I will prepare a separate video lecture on those doubts. I will explain you, I will clarify your doubts in this new video. Okay, right, here I stop. Thank you.